People of the Plains.
Natural resources in the Great Plains area were difficult to find. Among the natives that settled in the Great Plains were the Mandans. They lived along the Missouri River in what is presently North Dakota. Mandans built circular houses called lodges. Lodges were houses built over a shallow pit and covered with sod, which is a mixture of grass and dirt. The Mandans did some farming, which was primarily done by the women. The men of the tribe hunted for food and to have pelts to trade. Twice a year the villages emptied for the buffalo hunt. The people, including women and children, walked several days from their villages to the grassy areas of the plains. Once there, the men would do the hunting. While wearing animal skins as disguises, the men would surround several buffalo. At a signal, they would all shout and drive the buffalo off a steep cliff where they would fall and be killed. After the hunt, the women skinned the buffalo and prepared the buffalo for many purposes, such as jerky, clothing, blankets, water carriers, rope, and tools. Another Indian tribe that hunted buffalo was the Kiowa. Unlike the Mandans, the Kiowa were known to move a lot. They roamed the Great Plains. They too used all parts of the buffalo to sustain their life. They even used their refuse, called buffalo chips, for fuel in their fires. Because they followed the buffalo, their homes were made so they could be easily moved. These homes were called teepees. The Kiowas set wooden poles together and tied them at the top. They covered the poles with buffalo skins, leaving a hole at the top for smoke from their fires to escape. Another group that lived on the Great Plains was the Lakota, also known as the Sioux. The Lakota also hunted and traveled with the buffalo, so they too lived in teepees. When Spanish colonists arrived, they brought horses with them. The Lakota learned to catch and breed the horses so they could be used to hunt buffalo.